Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers, a 1/2 inch and a 3/8 of an inch open-ended wrenches, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a pair of side cutters. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. This water inlet valve supplies water to the ice maker on demand. There are two main reasons why it would need to be replaced. The ice maker is not getting any water, or the water valve leaks itself, leaving water on the floor. We will start with removing the water valve cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the screw out. The cover has tabs on both sides. Push the sides in to unlock the tabs, turn the cover and release it. To get to the part, we need to remove the rear access panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the screws that hold the cover and remove it. Slide the cover away. Place the towel under the water valve. Using the 1/2 inch open-ended wrench, remove the water inlet line, turning the nut counterclockwise. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the mounting screw and pull the valve out. Using the needle nose pliers, pull out the locking ring. Then, using the 3/8 inch wrench, press down the locking collar and pull out the tube from the valve outlet. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the wires from the solenoid. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new valve, we need to remove the locking ring from the port. Use the pliers to pull it off. Install the two wires onto the new water inlet valve. It doesn't matter which one goes where. Insert the ice maker supply tube into the valve's outlet. Make sure it's not going anywhere soon. After we insert the tube into the valve, install the locking ring back. Please pay attention that this new valve has a little tab at the end of the bracket. We need to cut it off. Using the side cutters, just snap it off. Install the new water inlet valve on the side of the refrigerator with a little hook in the hole. Match the mounting holes below and secure to the single Phillips screw. Remove the protective cover. Connect the water inlet line to the water valve. Turn the nut manually and then tighten it with a 1/2 inch wrench. Remove the towel. Turn the water on. Check for leaks and then install the cover. Lock the tabs and secure it with the Phillips screw. Snap on the water valve cover and secure it with the Phillips screw. Plug the fridge in. Expect the ice bucket to fill up within 24 hours. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.